Introducing the new Mermade Hair 28mm straightener. This straightener is going to carry you from 5 AM to 9 PM. It's got a soft touch thumb grip, so you're not going to feel any heat coming through either, which is amazing. To turn the straightener on, we simply just press the on button, which is on the side through here. For finer hair, I'd recommend 180, and for really coarse hair, you could do the 230. So let's use the straightener to create some big curls. So my biggest tip in curling hair is to make sure your elbow is nice and high. Amazing. So don't forget to make sure your sections aren't any wider than your plate. And the same rule applies whether you've got short hair, long hair. So as you can see, I'm curling off the face here. So elbow nice and high and drag down, making sure the hair stays within the plate as well. It's taken us a really long time here at Mermade Hair to refine and perfect this straightener. And I'm so confident and so excited to share this straightener with you. I would not only recommend this to my clients, but also hairdressers and industry professionals.